Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to create a very simple BI dashboard and I'll import the data actually from CSV files for this project. Let's just create a new project and I'll set a name for it. Simple BI dashboard. Alright. And then I'll go to data sources to import some data. And I have the files here, weekly sales data for 1 year and then some data for the pie chart. So there's two columns here, date column and then total sales column. Let's import that. Alright, so we have our very first data imported successfully. Then I'll import the second data file, like so. And in this file we have two columns, person names as first column and the second column shows the sales for the last year. And add file. Alright, there we go. Now we have imported our data sets. And from the visuals toolbar we can select like the correct chart type. We have plenty of different charts to select from. We have 2D charts, 3D charts, and lots of statistics charts. I'll just use the area chart for now. And data can be bound with a drag and drop operation to the charts. So let's just drop this date to X here, and then total sales to Y. Alright, so now we just have to change the chart title. And this can be easily promoted as chart title like this by pressing this arrow up button. And then we'll need to change the axis labels, axis titles. So sales USD, and then I'll just clear that out. Alright, so we fixed that. And yeah, let's add a pie chart. Pie charts are empty by default because there's no data for the slices. So I'll add the person data here to categories and the values, the numeric values here in the values. And there we go. We have a pie chart added to the project. And let's do a similar thing for the donut chart and person and sales. Yep. Alright, so that's pretty much everything I wanted to show today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.